Hi, welcome to TestNg Part 2 session. Yesterday we have seen iterate test priority. Okay, so today we will going to see another annotation which is of iterate annotation which is of priority. Okay, so let's begin with the priority. What is the priority exactly? So priority means if you want to execute your test cases in a sequential manner as your choice, then you have to define the priority. Okay, for that TestNg is using priority over here. So how do I use my priority? So what I will do, I will create a real-time example over here. Okay, so let's create, I will delete all this. Fine. Okay, I will create one method, say let's say login. Okay, before that I am saying public static web driver I need to import the web driver file. Okay, now I need to set the path in order to launch browser by using set property command. So here I am giving key in a string and value is also in a string, right? So where I have kept my Gecko file, I have kept here. So I need to copy the path of my Gecko driver file, paste it over here. Right here I can write web driver dot Gecko dot driver. Okay, put semicolon over here. Fine, and then I can say driver equal to new Firefox driver. Okay, here I am putting the annotation @TestNg annotation test. Click on finish. Okay, let me run this first. We'll check whether the browser is opening or not. Okay, browser is not opening because we haven't given here the Gecko driver file extension. So I can write .exe. Okay, I will run the program to check whether Gecko driver has been launched or not. Okay, so here I can manage to open my Mozilla browser. Fine, so this is working fine, right? So this is the login application I need to perform over here. So I can choose a link, let's say facebook.com. Okay, fine. Here is my Facebook link. And then I need to run and check whether it is working, whether it is allowing me to open the Facebook link. web browser launch, Mozilla launch, and I can see the Facebook web page gets open. Fine. Okay. What is next? Next, I need the actual login needs to be put under email and password and click on the login button. Okay, so what I will do, I will rename this test case open browser. Okay, browser. Okay, I will create the another test case which allows me for my login application. Okay, so how do I get it? Driver dot find element by dot id. Okay, this is my email for my Facebook. I'm sending is, let's say, admin@gmail.com. Fine. And for the password also I am doing the same thing. By dot id, only need to change the password web locator dot send keys test. Okay, for submit, guys, you need to write the code. Currently I just need to know I need to show you the annotation priority. Okay, this is my login. Okay, so there are two things, login and my open browser. So what I will do, I will create another method which is of close browser. Okay, close browser driver dot quit. Okay, so let's say if I am not following any sequence. Okay, so what I will do, I will paste this code open browser in a second place, right? So I know open browser and login. Okay, once you open a browser, then only you can make a login. So I can define the priority here. Priority equal to 2. Okay, or 1 second, this is the method I am writing. Sorry, it's my mistake. I can write over here priority equal to 2. Okay, and then I can write the same thing over here, only I am making one difference. I can say priority equal to 1. That's mean you need to open the browser first, then need to put the functionality of login, which is priority 2, and once my login functionality completed, then I can close my browser safely. Okay, so I can define my own priority in my test engine. Let's run this. Okay, so what happened, my browser get open first, then Facebook link, and my browser get closed by using the driver.quit command. Okay, so here you can see my total test run is 3, failure is 0, open browser he has taken in this way, open browser, login, and the close browser. That means my first method I have created here as a login, but it allows me to open my browser first. Open browser method he has executed first because I have declared the priority equal to 1. Okay, so this is the use of priority. You can prioritize your test cases by using a test engine. Okay, let's say I am having another method, okay, which is of logout. For that I need to first find out okay, fine, no issues at all. We will see in another example a depends on method how it could be used. So as of now, you just make sure in your mind priority annotation provide in the TestNg provide priority for your test case if there is no functionality dependency among the test case in a TestNg program, then choose priority attribute. If any functionality dependency among the test cases, then use depends on method attribute. What I will do over here, I will remove this priority as of now, and instead of priority I am just keeping depends on method. So how I can able to use this? Okay, this is my open browser in a second place. Okay, the login is on first place. Until and unless I cannot open the browser, I cannot do the login, right? So I need to define the priority. So I can say @depends on method. Sorry, here I need to write @depends on method okay, depends on method equal to my open browser. Sorry for interruption. Okay, so open browser is a case sensitive where I can say depends on method open browser. So until and unless I am not opening any browser, it will not allow me to log in. Fine. The over here also I can say depends on method equal to logged in. Okay, let's run the test case. It will first going to open a browser for me, then my login functionality, then it will close the browser for me. Okay, so here it is. So our test cases is completely successfully run. The 3 test cases: open browser, login, and the close browser. So you can define your own priority. You can prioritize your test cases by using depends on method annotation. Thank you for watching QuickIT.net. In next lecture, we will going to see a more annotation. Thank you very much.